Do you know who you are? Do you know what your purpose is? Hello, welcome to Hands On Family. I'm Miss Amanda, and I'm so glad to have you here. Do you know who you are? Have you lost who you are along the way? I know I have. I don't even know where or how. I may have taken someone else's words to heart, or I may have thought I needed to be someone else. Or it could have been because I was a mom and I was stuck in survival mode for so long. I'm not sure how I lost who I was, but I have been on a journey to find who I am. And I hope if you are lost, you will join me on finding who you are. Thankfully, one thing I never lost sight of is that I am a daughter of God, and I am loved. I know that we are all on different journeys. Some of us may have faith, some of us may not believe, and that's okay, because that is part of what makes you you. But for me, it is an integral part, and I am glad that I never lost it. So, who am I? When I'm asked this question, I always think, well, I'm a wife, a mother, a daughter, a sister, an in-law, a friend. So, what if instead I asked you, what is your purpose? Why are you here? What makes you unique? What can you do that no one else can? Because the answer to these questions are what helps you to live an extraordinary life. It helps you to stand out and be who you are supposed to be. I believe that we each have a special purpose, that we each can do something that no one else can do. So find you. Be you. If you don't know who you are, start today. Start right now at becoming the amazing individual you can be. We can't change others. We can't change our circumstances, but we can be us. We can make a difference. Steve Jobs says, our time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. So don't wait until tomorrow. Start today. Find who you are. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see next week's video. We'll be talking all about time management. I'm so grateful for you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.